Eyes locked from across the room, hot sweat dripping, bright neon lights. She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the bass ignites.
Hey loves, so I am just here to open up the vlog. I'm about to head out to chill a bit at the beach, so I'm taking you with me. Let's go and relax a little bit. If you are new here, welcome to the family. My name is Dineo. If you've been supporting me, thank you for your continued support. If you haven't subscribed, honey, what are you waiting for though? Please do click on that subscribe button, like and share my video as well. Click on the notification bell so that you know when there's new content available for you to watch. Let's go.
A trance of glory. The opalescent lights, our worlds collide. We touch electric sparks, flying as our hands glide. In the hum of the crowded room, her words cut clear. A dialogue profound, pulling me near. No pretense in the grip, no hollow words spill. Only the truth of the moment, thrill that's real. In the swirl of dim lights and fleeting glances, we found a rhythm of our own, taking our chances. Her voice a melody, a touch a guide. In the chaos of the night, we chose not to hide. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires, wild and free, no labels define our story. We're dancing in the dark, a trace of glory. A trance of glory.
So loves, while we are at the beach, we realized that there was an event taking place. It was a firefighters competition from all over the country. They were competing, and I must say it was quite a hectic competition. Keep your eyes on the screen. You'll get to see how they are competing. And the other thing that I saw is that just because you were doing well first, or that you started first, it doesn't mean that you are ultimately the winner. Because if you look at these guys, the guy who pulled the pipe all the way first, his team didn't really win. Only that guy who's pulling the pipes. And I like his strategy. He felt that it was too heavy to pull them both, and he just decided to put one down and pull the other one all the way and pull the other one after that one. So that is a strategy as well, to say that you don't have to do it simultaneously as the other person. Do it in a way that works for you. Do it in a way that will bring progress to your journey. So this was absolutely beautiful to look at, and I can tell you very challenging as well, because Remember, their PPE is very heavy and they needing to run to save someone and, you know, and still be safe themselves before they get to us. So it was quite an eye-opener. Let me shush, let you watch.
Opalescent lights, our worlds collide. A touch electric sparks flying as our hands glide. In the hum of the crowded room, her words cut clear. A dialogue profound, pulling me near. No pretense in a grip, no hollow words spill. Only the truth of the moment, the thrill that's real. In the swirl of dim lights and fleeting glances, we found a rhythm of our own, taking our chances. Her voice a melody, a touch a guide. In the chaos of the night, we chose not to hide. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires, wild and free, no labels define our story.
For me, the moral of the story here is that do not compare your journey with someone else's journey, because the initial guy could have felt like he is defeated when he rolled the water pipes slower and just stopped, but he kept on going and his team is doing great right now. So yeah, let us remember to keep our eyes on the goal, and that's it, nothing else but on the goal.
Eyes locked from across the room, hot sweat dripping, bright neon lights. She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the bass ignites. Curves like poetry, tender whispers in the air. The touch sends shivers, electrify my skin.
Hey loves, it is later in the afternoon. I'm about to go for a lunch date. Yeah, so see you in a bit. This is just me and my bantu knots. I will show you guys the outfit of the day when we get to the place. Yeah, when we get to the place. See you.
We're dancing in the dark, a trace of glory. A trance of glory. The opalescent lights, our worlds collide. A touch electric sparks flying as our hands glide. In the hum of the crowded room, her words cut clear. A dialogue profound, pulling me near. No pretense in a grip, no hollow words spill. Only the truth of the moment, thrill that's real. In the swirl of dim lights and fleeting glances, we found a rhythm of our own, taking our chances.
into a rabbit hole of Shein. But anyway, let's unbox. So excited. So we got this professional face paint. It is water based. So obviously, you know, I'm very excited to try out some creative things with makeup. And we've got the kit. So nothing is stopping us from trying out things, okay? Yeah. And ooh, I like how they package these, love. Hey, love. I like how they package them.
Yeah, it's professional.
Okay, let me show you. Surprise, surprise. I'm just gonna open the one, but we got 2 of them. I'll try to link or rather leave the links in the description box for you guys. This is what we got. Oh, and the quality as well, rather. Oh, like it feels much stronger than the ones we got. Checkers here.
They're huge.
Yes. Oh
They're
wow.
proper.
So excited. So we got 2 of them. Love how they package them. I was low-key concerned with after receiving my earrings the other day. And this is a roller for your muscles as a runner or an active person. After your long run or whatever, you massage your legs with this, your thighs with this, every part where you would probably experience a muscle pull, then you rub yourself with this or massage yourself with that. Obviously, pink is for girls. Pink is for girls and blue is for boys. Okay, I am joking, guys, just joking, but this is what we got. Definitely, this is a foam roller. What do you call this one? Okay. A hand roller. Okay, this is a foam roller and this is a hand roller. They are used for similar reasons, for the same reasons. After your workout, after your run, you literally just massage your body with this on areas where you would experience muscle pulls. So that is what we got. And a hydration vest for hubby. It looks popular. Yeah. And it comes with bottles too.
2 bottles, yeah.
Okay, it's a hydration vest. It really does look proper, guys. Like,
Small.
Is it small?
Looks small.
I think you need to try it on. But yeah, this is the hydration vest and the bottles.
It looks small.
I hope it fits. I hope it fits. And yeah, we are done, guys, with our haul. See you guys soon.
I just wanna hit the floor. I don't wanna talk. This ain't forever, so hold me closer. 'Cause we still have some time. Can't see the water past the vapor skies. But boy, I've seen those eyes before. They counted off all four. I want it, I need it, but catch me in and out your door. I see myself wanting more. Oh, you got me sweating in this summer heat. Even in this weather, find us in between the sheets. Oh, you got me sweating in this summer heat. I just love to love you, only for the summer. Wait, was it always pretty in my dreams? Was it? I wanna taste your like sugar in my tea, but it's bittersweet, 'cause I know it's only for the you miss me. Too soon to hear the words. Right place, wrong time. Counting every second that you kiss me. Couldn't see the signs, but boy, I've seen those eyes before. And counted off all four. I want it, I got it. Wish I could flaunt it like the old. And feel myself wanting more. Oh, you got me sweating in this summer heat. Even in this weather, find us in between the sheets. Oh, you got me sweating in this summer heat. I just love to love you, only for the summer. Wait, was it always pretty in my dreams? Was it? I wanna taste your like sugar in my tea, but it's bittersweet, 'cause I know it's only for the summer.
And loves, if you have watched my vlog until this far, I just want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please do click on the subscribe button, like and share my video as well. Till we meet again on my next video. Bye.
This ain't forever, so hold me closer. 'Cause we still have some time. Can't see the water past the vapor skies. But boy, I've seen